Okay. Gonna give another one. That's a 63843 arc west 10 miles. Tracking bound radio 300.
Bound?
Yeah.
Portland approach, back to 4324 Delta.
24 Delta, go ahead.
Back to 4324 Delta, I would like to cancel flight leveling.
432 Delta, roger. For correction, the radar service terms clock maintain VFR frequency true, good day.
Okay, that's 4324 Delta.
Nice. Hey, wind or headwind?
Is it?
We have tailwind or headwind?
Okay.
Tailwind, nice. Maybe we turn now.
Oh, because we have the tailwind.
Yeah. We kind of strong one, so 1 mile should be good.
Departure, good afternoon, Delta 608 Heavy with you out of 2.2 for 7,000.
Delta 608 Heavy.
Whoa! Cool, so we did turn. And we don't need to waste, we got to waste a couple of things and 3,500.
639, roger, thank you.
Just want to make sure you hop correctly. There is one thing is not correct.
And the bases are ragged at 5,000 and continuous light chop in the climb, Delta 608 Heavy.
Delta 608 Heavy, roger, thank you.
Nice.
Got higher for you.
Heavy, climate in 8,000.
I got stuff down Delta 608 Heavy up to 8,000.
Follow approach, Horizon 2301, 13.8, descending via the craters 2 with Juliet.
Horizon 2301, phone approach, roger. Expect areas of light precipitation beginning in about 2 miles all the way to Portland Airport.
Roger, Horizon 2301.
Vector 1460, phone approach.
Verification Romeo 21532, observation wind 170 at 3, visibility 10, sky conditions view clouds at 2,000, ceiling 7,000 overcast.
Delta 16-0 heavy traffic, got a turn 12 class to 4 miles, 737 restricted above you on the arrival, expect higher in about 5 miles.
Okay, we're IMC, got him on the fish finder and looking for higher, Delta 608 Heavy.
Alaska 659 traffic, 9 o'clock 2 miles, heavy, let me see, 767, 8,000 restricted above you.
IMC as well, that's 659.
Roger.
After we finish,
2301 flight.
after we finish this one, we go direct to Hillsborough. We don't have time for VOR.
As 2301.
Headwinds are too strong.
1460.
They're not moving.
Thank you, just checking on 7,000, and we have Juliet, 1460.
Next 1460, roger, expect ILS running 10 right.
Thank you, right side, 1460.
How much longer for hire for Delta 608 Heavy? We're getting beat up here.
Delta 16, or correction, 608 heavy, climb within 5000.
Thanks, 5,000 Delta 608 Heavy.
Fuck that, man. Getting rough. Shit. Yeah, I'm not sure that my next flight is gonna be far, right? I think I'm gonna go to the south. Even the airline, he just said now, like, hey, can we go higher? Like, we're getting beat up here.
Alaska 659, contact phone approach 126.9er.
And remember now, the last one is gonna be... Heavy? Yeah, we have to do something. That's super important. We do alive.
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, look at the KMI, it's for 5. As soon as it's getting moved, we have to go.
You're at 3 visibility, 10 sky conditions, view clouds at 2000, ceiling 7000 overcast. Temperature 7, dew point 6, altimeter 2 at 9 or 41. Expect on-off approach, runway 31 left, 31 right. Notice airman, cranes northeast.
Take me direct to Hillsborough, but via GPS.